Bank Nifty future 1 minute chart April 26 Wednesday market. Yesterday sell call generated and bearish momentum followed today also. Gap down market 42,580 trading range. Up to 10 o'clock market was in bearish momentum. After 10 o'clock market started to rise. So automatically a buy call generated, green color candle open. Like this every day, daily basis, you will receive calls like this in this chart. Just watch the chart, get the call, place the order in your broker account. Manual trading as well as auto trading both are possible. For subscription details, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. Today after 10:20 am, we have received a buy call at 42,588. Green color candle, straight white line from green color candle, that is our entry point line. Above line are first target, second target line. Below red color line is the stop loss line. Daily basis in this 1 minute chart, automatically you will receive calls like this. It's a live market calls generated. First target range is 105 point. Second target range is more than a 200 point range. After 1 hour of market momentum, after 1.5 hour of market momentum, it successfully break out the first target range of 42,694. Today market traded in a very flat momentum, very sideways momentum like that. But after 11:30 market started to move in bullish direction and successfully break out the first target range. If you want this chart, if you want to subscribe for this chart, just send me a hi message in WhatsApp. We will provide you the detail. If you feel like it, you can subscribe for it. Thank you.